Jackson learns patience. A lesson in waiting by Cassandra Stewart. The smell of cookies wafted through the house as Mom folded laundry. Jackson sat nearby playing with Fred. "Are they done yet?" he asked. He looked at his mother with anticipation. "Soon," Mom replied. 3 minutes had passed, and Jackson asked again, "Are they ready, Mommy?" "Not yet, Jackson. 9 minutes more," she calmly said. Jackson pouted. "But I want them now," he cried. Mommy paused. She watched as Jackson thumped poor Fred against the floor. "Oh my!" Jackson wailed. "I want cookies now!" Mommy spoke his name softly, but her eyes were stern. "Jackson?" Jackson looked at his mother through wet eyes. He immediately placed Fred down. "Ooh." Mom then knelt before him. She dried his face with a tissue. "Aw." "Now, what did we say about patience?" she asked calmly. Jackson sniffled before he spoke. "Patience is important for little boys and girls. Patience brings good things to all in the world. Be patient." "Good job," Mom said. "Now, will you be patient?" "Yes, Mommy," Jackson said, this time with a smile. "Good, but first, you owe Fred an apology," she smiled. Jackson giggled. Not long after, the cookies were done. Jackson had to wait a little longer for them to cool down, but he did not cry, nor did he frown. He had patience. The end.